Hello everybody, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Beebeecraft unboxing. So I received some products from Beebeecraft that I had chosen to create with. So I wanted to share what I chose for this go around. So here is all of my information. And basically what it is that Beebeecraft has a YouTube program and you will get free products if you have more than 100 subscribers. I have a discount code for everybody. It is Moon10. So if you head over to beebeecraft.com and you put in an order, you will get 10% off of your total purchase. I will have all of the information listed in my description box along with these items that I've actually chosen. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, what I got was this massive thing of chain because I never really have gold chain. But there is so much, I think there's like 100 meters of gold chain. Now, it's thin, okay? I'm not going to say it's not thin because it is. But I'm using it for necklace chain. And it is a curb. You should be able to see that. It's a curb link. It's like a more dainty type of curb link. It's not a real thick one, but as you can see, it's thin. These are citrine, and you get, and I'm hoping, this is the first time I'm actually looking at these. I may have to finagle with this. I may have to close that up. They're all like that. Yeah, I'm going to end up closing those up a little because it has the piece where it should be closed. It's open, so I'll have to close these. But these are genuine citrine. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, they are in different sizes. So I wanted to make, they're really pretty too. This one's really smooth on the bottom. And that one's got a little bit of smoothness. Most of them are, rough. There's a little bit of smoothness on that one. But for the most part, they're rough. But I had wanted to get something in citrine because I was looking for something that I would be able to wear around my neck that was in this color. So citrine is like a yellowish, like a dark yellowish, light orange color. And there are a lot of properties to crystals. If you are not familiar with a lot of crystals, there are a lot of healing properties associated with crystals, along with a lot of other different properties. So citrine was one of the ones that I was looking for. I will probably keep this one for myself, the larger one. But it comes in this box, which is another thing that I really like about pretty much all of Beebeecraft's stuff. I mean, not all of it, but a good majority of the stuff comes in little boxes like this. Now, these are Christmas charms. So we have a snowman. Maybe I should put this on here. Maybe you'll see it a little bit better. Yeah. We have a wreath. This one is a tag that says Merry Christmas. We have a Santa. And we have a Christmas tree. We have a little candy cane. We have a gingerbread house. We have a bell. And we have a little Rudolph, little reindeer. We have a stocking. And we have a snowman. We have a reindeer head. We have Santa in a gift. And that might be it, I'm thinking. Because I think there were 2 of each. So yes, so that is all of them. So you get quite a bit. Like I said, you get, I think it's 2 of each. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you would get 26. And it looks like there's 2. But all the information will be in the description box. So if you're interested, I don't even know if these would still be available because we're already the 2nd week into December. And I'm probably just going to be using these now. So that is the next thing that I have received. Next, we have these, which these are from Panda Hall Elite. And these are spacers in all different sizes. I'm not going to take them out because they will go all over the place because I don't have my jewelry board here. But we have really small ones. And then we have bigger ones. And it's the same here. We have the real small ones. And then we have the bigger ones. And these are really heavy. So I was looking for these because I really don't have nice ones. The ones I have are kind of from like Michael's and stuff like that. So these are really good quality, and they have a nice, let me show you through if you can see it through here. They have a nice size hole for you to make your creations and stuff. So I like that. Plus they're weighty. I really like the weight of these. I was not expecting that. So you get 4 different ones. So you get 4 different sizes, and you get the gold and you get the silver, which I thought was perfect for me because I tend to be one that works mostly in silver more so than gold. Okay, and then I got these. These are pre-made. So if you're not really great at putting together like little embellishment pieces, like charm pieces that would go on to jewelry, they already have where the whole thing is created for you. So I could take one of these out. Now, this came in 2 separate color. One has a darker red and green, and then this one has a much lighter green, but it has the bail and stuff all put together. It's got the little spacer bead, and it has the 2 places where you can hang charms and stuff off of, and then you can attach it to your jewelry piece or whatever it is that you're looking to add it to. So they have these quite a lot. So if you aren't really good at making jewelry, but you need stuff like this for your, your junk journals when you're trying to put stuff together, check out Beebeecraft because they do have a lot of these pre-made bead pieces. And then this one is the dark green and the dark red, which these are really pretty. Isn't that pretty? And I like it too because this one is in the silver, and then this one, the lighter one, is in a gold. Has the gold bales. So that was another one, and then I have one last piece, or one last product, I should say. And then I will be getting to work on these in the next couple of days. So you'll see projects coming from me. But these, I thought they were a little bit bigger, but I guess I measured wrong. If I can open it. There we go. So these are those crystal type of, now they're really small. So these are going to be for really small beads. I think the next time around I'm going to have to go for the bigger ones because, like I said, I did not realize that these were so small. Trying to see what's going to be the best way for me to show you these. So hopefully you can see those. But those would be good for, like I said, much smaller beads. But you get a lot of them, as you could see. You get quite a few of them. And I like the AB, which is Aurora Borealis. And that's what these are. Because you get that shine to them when... I don't know if it's going to do it, but you get like a sparkle from them when it hits the light. So that was why I chose those. But you always need different sizes in your collection, especially if you do tend to do things with jewelry and stuff like that. So, but that was pretty much everything. That was everything. These are all the pieces that I chose from Beebeecraft this time around. And then we have the chain here. So there's quite a bit here. You know, so I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be working on. I will definitely be making a video showing me putting together the necklaces. So I will be doing that on camera. And I will probably be working with these. Pretty much all of these, because I think I might be incorporating all of these into charms, like charm pieces that I usually make, like these types of pieces that I like to make, and I like to have them made ahead of time. And these are from like Beebeecraft, but I like putting together a whole bunch of like pieces like this so that they're all done already. So you have them and then you have a bunch to choose from. See, like this one has, this was from actually a jewelry piece that was broken. But that is what I will be working with for those. And that'll probably be video number 2. So stay tuned for those because they will be coming up, like I said, in the next couple of days. So thank you all for joining me. And again, don't forget, I have a discount code and it is MOON10. And I will have all of that linked down below. Thank you, everybody. And I will see you all for the next video. Take care.